Hi everyone, a really quick video for Opus 4.5. Now my record is 26 hours, which means I've had agents talking to themselves and each other for 26 hours on a task. It's a full platform that I was making, and I had a CSV of about 148 tasks that just two tabs worked through it. And you can see here for tab 1, if you look at the top, this is the manager tab. So I tell the manager that we have a CSV or we have some tasks, and essentially here I've told it the new test round. So this is giving instructions, and you'll see tab 2 switch. So any second now the instructions from tab 1 or the Opus 4.5 manager will switch the tab, copy paste, and now, oh, we've already done actually the first task, so that was so quick I didn't even see it. Task 2 again, the answer from the second tab was done, and this represents a task. So in the CSV, if you have a list of to-dos, then this manager tab would obviously be telling the second worker tab what to do, and it's much better, really is much better than having one tab with one model with sub-agents, because this manager is its own, obviously, Opus with the full context. It's not wasting, even sub-agents, it's not wasting tokens, but this second agent is doing all the work. Now the good thing is, this second agent can reset as much as it likes, it can compress, compact, but the first agent is so minimal in tokens because all it's doing is giving the like one or two sentences in the instructions, that it just goes on forever, you know. And even if then it eventually compresses, you know, the base text file that I have to say you are the manager, and you are talking to the other agent, it just continues. And the other agent, obviously, for each task, you'd need a CSV or a list of to-dos. And you can see here that the agent has now finished all of the questions and tasks needed. And what would happen is that eventually, you know, if this agent did compress and compact, or if it got stuck, then this agent might not send the message back, but within the actual prompt here that triggers this agent, which is not there, but it's essentially just saying to send a script with instructions to the tab that's active next to you, and there's a 10-minute sleep. So if it doesn't hear anything from the other agent in 10 minutes, it sends a message that likely gets queued, because, you know, if the agent is busy or stuck or, you know, whatever, there's a queue. And the second time, after 20 minutes, then the second message, if the agent still doesn't hear back, it actually terminates this second tab and opens a fresh one and actually starts the Claude again, and then starts giving more instructions. And I said the 26 hours is my record, and I've built the majority of actually working almost production ready platform. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys into this. If you just ask the agent, if you start off literally with this, I'm curious if you can see what Windows terminal that you are in, and essentially it does try and eventually succeeds. It's smart enough to be able to figure out how to do it if you just ask, and then this way you can do multiple hours worth of work, as long as you have some kind of CSV task list for the first agent to reference.